Okay, well, today we got Scrooge McDuck. I wasn't quite sure what to do with this when I first started it. I saw a picture I liked. I thought, I like to paint that. I want to see that. So, as I said, I had no clue. Just Scrooge. I know I had to do something to it, though, else it'd be corny or something, right? You better do something. See, there's the picture from a comic book. Vintage comic book or whatever. Where did I find that comic? Some vintage store I was in one day. A comic book popped in. Oh, it's cool. I'll take it. And off we go to paint it. So I said, wasn't feeling the aqua color I had in the background, so switched that out for a vintage newspaper book that I had. The book is from like the 50s or something. No, actually, it couldn't be from the 50s. It had to be later than that. And some of the articles were from the 80s, actually. What am I talking about? It's probably a book from the 80s then. All these, it's like decades and decades of New York Times headlines every day for decades. It's a big old book. So I took out the ones I thought were interesting, the ones I liked. Mostly about people making money, doing stuff related to economics and things of that nature. Smell of fear. The Los Angeles riots. End of an era. I don't know what that was. What's that? The Nazis invade Holland. Oh, you know they was getting money. Man of the world. Warhol. Yeah, I put him in there. Oh, that thing is funny right there. It reminded me of like when people ask people about Bitcoin and they didn't really have the answers people were looking for. It was like, hey, stop asking questions and just get it. It was funny. Okay, so you see, right? You see what happened. That red jacket is gone. I just switched that out. Like, I guess I didn't like the red anymore. I switched that red jacket out fast. See that? What color was that in the background before? Was that type of mint? No more mint. The mint is gone. And we moved a little bit further along. Now let's see what happens. Oh, snap, I resined it. Oh, okay. Well, just filled it, collaged it, basically. Let's see. Sorry, I'm not the ultimate in footage guy. I forget sometimes. It doesn't look like it's much there, but it is. And these little black things are trash. I hate those things. They're good for like really small pieces, but once the pieces get kind of big, those things will fall apart so fast on you. Halfway through, look, halfway through it's falling apart. And you use the whole bag of them to do one piece. It's ridiculous. We have to buy the good ones. If you're gonna buy the good ones. Do not buy the cheap ones. The cheap ones are exactly that, cheap, ridiculously cheap. They fall apart, leave black stuff in your resin if you're not careful. It's crazy. I'm pretty sure I really want to throw that one away really bad right now. Yeah, that's probably why I stopped and threw that one away. Okay, layer 1. See, I guess I skipped all the putting on the paint and the layers and layers of paint I put on there. I'll do it better next time. See, Scrooge got his collecting his Bitcoins. You know, Rick Ross on there. You know he happy. He getting money. Flowers. That big, well, shit, Bitcoin down right now, but I'm sure it'll be back barred up in the corner. Lots of scrapage. These colors are iridescent. Oh, my Vegas. Lots of Las Vegas references in there from a Las Vegas book. Collaged into the Scrooge. The owner of this piece will really, really get to see all of it, right? The owner will be reading it and staring at it for years before they see everything. Oh, another layer of resin. Of course I was going to do that. How can you not? Let's make it thicker and shinier. I might do another one before I ship it out. More than likely I will. Another one. Mm-hmm. Nice and smooth. That is nice. That is nice. You're gonna blind yourself. Don't get blind. Don't get blind. Like I'm doing my phone too. The newspaper tends to look really nice up underneath the resin like that. And if you're gonna do that and you want to use paper and things of that nature under resin, make sure you Mod Podge that stuff several times, or the resin will turn it to transparent paper. See how the paper still is white and still is not transparent at all. See, still white, no transparencies in the paper. Like you poured olive oil or something all on your newspaper. You don't really want that, so you have to. She's gonna stab him for asking about that Bitcoin. So you have to make sure you Mod Podge several times, if warranted. I use several layers of resin, so I Mod Podge several layers too before I even start to put resin on there. Ooh, look at that thing. Look at that thing. This thing is 4 feet by 4 feet. It's pretty big. She's happy. She sits on a pile of coins. I wonder if hers are Bitcoins too. Scrooge for sure happy. Las Vegas gang right there. Sinatra and his crew. All them iridescent colors. Oh man, them things gonna glow in somebody's house. And the LED lighting, this thing will light up. All kinds of iridescent colors all over the place in that thing. Look at that orange, that blue, all that. Bling, bling. Every time I come around your city. Yeah. Yeah. You see it. Scrooge is collecting the Bitcoins. He mad right now though, but he's probably not though. And it's over. See you later with the next one.